natin siya kaagad. Let's talk about herbal retreat. Si Coach Alvin Velasco. Good morning.
Hello, good morning po. Magandang buhay po today. So I'm very excited kasi we have this very special topic. Ito po yung topic natin about our retreat tea, no? And this has been launched kailan lang. So bakit siya special? Because a lot of us today are seeking products that can help our health, no? So before that, let me share let me just share needs. Ako na lang needs my story first. Kasi so I gonna share also some of the pictures ng journey ko sa Herbalife, no? And it started 11 years ago na I was a salesman sa Binondo, and being a salesman, alam natin na napakalaki po nung responsibility natin every month and every day. Nasa kalsada po tayo, and wala tayong kinakain kundi yung mga fast food na yan. So I ballooned into 192 pounds. And syempre, pagka malaki ka, you have a lot of discomfort, no? My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head, lahat yan may mga pains and discomfort. And so with this product, I'm very thankful sa sponsor ko. Sabi niya, palitan mo lang yung breakfast mo, because my wife also is malaki din siya, si Noemi. So we use the product and replace our breakfast. And with that, I lost about 25 pounds during the first month, and amazing 7 inches of my waistline. Pati yung mga discomfort and aches na wala po, ano. So amazing product. Okay? So we've been doing business po sa Herbalife for 11 years now, and what we do is just sharing the product, no? We have a nutrition club, and then we present mga presentation sa company, and we do also social media. So we go to a lot of training kasi syempre kailangan natin yan to really develop the skills and sharing people, no? At naging career na namin to. So we've been to that training, maraming doctors, mga doctors ng Herbalife, and we attended a lot of training also abroad. So recognition, marami din dito sa Herbalife kung gusto nyo, ano? And maraming qualifications sa vacation, and we qualified also to vacation na international sa Korea and Cambodia. So ibig ko lang sabihin ito, this is a company that has really changed our vision and life. And for 11 years, we've been doing this business on our own pace, on our own time. So we managed to generate 100,000 a month, no? Sino ba naman ang hindi masaya dyan? So nasa bahay ka lang kung ayaw mo lumabas, and you still generate income. So if you want to know about Herbalife Nutrition Company, go to the person na nag-invite sa inyo and be part of this amazing company. And I'd like to invite you po sa ating spectacular this coming January. Kung wala pa kayong ticket, please purchase a ticket, and you won't really regret attending this amazing event. Okay? So yan, mga events natin, no? So let's go to our topic today, kasi kailangan pag-usapan din natin tong ating bagong product, especially the herbal retreat tea, kasi because of this product, a lot of things na magagawa mo sa buhay mo, and then it will make you well, no? Bakit ba kinreate ng Herbalife yung product na to, no? And let me just show you some tips about this product. Pag-usapan muna natin kung bakit siya na-create. So it has been created because a lot of people today are really stressed. And stress is really a factor na we have to deal with it every day, no? So malalaman natin dito yung fact ng stress, yung benefits ng product, and how do we prepare, and those recommendation, and also yung mga question na pwede nating itanong dito, yung mga frequently asked question about this product, no? So what is stress? No, stress is our body's response to pressure. It is often triggered when we experience something new, sabi dito, unexpected, or that threatens our sense of self. Or when we feel we have a little control, sabi dito, and over the situation. So too much stress daw can cause negative effects. Okay? Minsan it can leave us in a permanent stage, yung lagi kang parang fight and flight, no? Na-overwhelm ka lagi, unable to cope up. So pagka ganito lagi in the long term, talagang maapektuhan yung ating not only physical but our mental health. So stress is very very thing na dapat nating i-avoid or i-manage. And yan, stress is a silent killer. Totoo po yan, no? In fact, it's the number one cause of death, yung stress na yan. So, this is one of the biggest issue. Number one sa ating workplace. Kailangan kasi natin, we have this healthy work and life balance. Pero mahirap gawin po ito, di ba? So according po sa statistic, mga 78% ng mga empleyado sa buong mundo acknowledge na minsan hindi na sila nati-turn off sa sa stress nila. Kahit natutulog sila, stress pa rin sila. So this stress parang nagko-cause siya ng domino effects on other areas ng buhay natin, no? So in that case, parang detrimental siya. It has a detrimental impact on their physical, sa ating physical and mental health, no? We should realize that one. Okay? So, dito sa survey na to, during the past pandemic, ayan, nakikita nyo po, no? It's averaging 40% sa buong mundo really experience this kind of high level of stress. Nandyan yung Pilipinas, 34%. Okay? So, across Asia Pacific, according to this survey, no, of consumers says that they are actively seeking ways to reduce stress. So bakit kailangan natin ito at naimbento ito ng Herbalife? Kasi yan po yung hinahanap ng mga tao ngayon. Even po may yung mga Gen Zs sa Asia, experience po yung level of stress, no? Dati, nung panahon natin, panahon ko, yung mga matatanda lang mga na-stress. Ngayon, different kind of game na, no? Even those younger ones, they experience stress. Kaya nga maraming nagkakaroon ng anxiety, depression, may tumatalon sa building. So these are all things that we have to consider, no? And 73% nga yan, 57% sa mental health. So necessary talaga po yung ating product, okay? So yung consumers are looking for products that help them reduce stress and promote relaxation. Ayan, ito ang dahilan kung bakit, no? So, important health claims, percent of consumer that looks for claim in the products they buy. So, tinitingnan nila yung immune system, number one. So, lahat naman yan pagka bumibili tayo ng supplement or anything that can help our health, tinitingnan natin yan kung maganda ba sa ating immune system. And of course, ayan, help reduce stress, mga product na ganyan, and promote relaxation. So mas mataas po yung average ng stress dyan kasi if you gonna combine yung reducing stress na hinahanap ng tao at yung promote relaxation, parehas lang po yan eh. So it comprises mga 32%. Mataas talaga. Okay? So what are the signs of stress? Alam natin, nararanasan natin to, no? Sa physical, lagi bang masakit yung katawan mo? Headache, fatigue, palpitation, stomach upset, nahihilo ka ba? These are all physical symptoms. Sa pag-iisip naman, madalas ka bang makalimot? Poor concentration, na may mental block ka ba? Nagiging difficult ba yung mga pag-organize mo ng mga bagay-bagay? At pag-create ng decision every day. So these are sign of cognitive stress. And of course, itong emotional stress, medyo delikado to kasi these are the things na minsan nagagalit ka, too much worrying, tense, irritable. So this can affect your performance as a person, as a character, no? So nadidepress and overwhelmed and yung ating restless. Okay? Sa behavior naman, minsan umiiyak ka na lang, withdrawal symptom, yung mga poor appetite na nagugutom ka pero parang wala kang gana, feeling ill, pakiramdam mo nagkakasakit ka, and you go to smoking, so drinking alcohol. So these are the symptoms that we have to look at and be aware of ourselves na kailangan po nating i-correct ito, no? So how to cope up with stress? So marami pong tip na binigay dito. Number 1, be observant. So yung mga sign na yon dapat you should be aware of that sign. And wag kang pumunta dun sa dakong madilim na laging maninigarilyo ka or mag-alcohol ka with those peoples. So, yan, maging observant lang po tayo. Next one is talk to your healthcare provider para makatulong sila sa iyo professionally. Wag po kayong mag-antay na yung inyong doktor pa magtatanong sa inyo. Have a conversation with them and deal with it kung ano yung magagawa nila. Okay? Get regular exercise, kahit 30 minutes per day, walking. It help boost your mood at improve your health, no? Yan po yung exercise. Kahit anong exercise. Ako, naglilinis ako ng bahay and tinutulungan ko po yung misis ko, and then I do some tai chi even sa home lang. So these are a form of exercise. Kasi meron din akong scoliosis. I cannot do exercise too much eh. So another thing is try a relaxing activity. So you have to explore yung mga wellness program na katulad ng ginagamit ng Herbalife. So a lot of activities para mag-meditate ka, yung breathing exercise. So schedule these things, incorporate mo sa buhay mo daily, and surely it can help to lower down your stress level. Okay? So set goals and priorities. Okay. So maganda din ito kasi magiging busy ka sa mga bagay na may kinalaman sa improvement ng sarili mo or sa goals mo and your dreams. And then learn to say no. Kung hindi mo naman talaga kaya, wag mong pilitin yung sarili mo kasi it will just add up sa stress mo. And in the long run, hindi mo rin mapufulfill yung gusto mo dahil yun nga, nahihirapan ka. Try to be mindful. What you have accomplished, mas maganda po yun at the end of the day, you try to think about those things na nagawa mo mabuti. Huwag kayong mag-dwell doon sa mga bagay na nag-fail ka. There's nothing to do with you na pwede mo namang gawin pa sa next following day. Okay? Stay connected. This is very important kasi hindi naman tayo nag-iisa. No man is an island. Keep in touch with people na can support and practically can help you, no? Para merong mailabas mo yung stress mo sa mga friends mo, sa family mo, or dito sa ating community sa BNC. Alam nyo, when you come here every morning, sa mga tawa pa lang ng mga coaches dito, may enlighten na yung mood nyo eh. Di ba? So, keep joining us or even sa mga religious group, join po kayo and it will help you. And of course, ano pa ba ang kundi number 1 yung nutrition. Kailangan natin ng balanced diet every day, every single day. Mga containing plenty of fruits and vegetables, no? Iwas muna tayo sa mga simple sugar kasi syempre, a poor diet can lead to, syempre, magkakasakit ka and of course, additional stress. You can also consume beverages na beneficial katulad nitong pinag-uusapan natin, just to really cope up with the stress and relax yourself. And what else? Itong ating syempre, dagdagan nyo ng add a little calm to your day with this amazing product, no? Ito siya, specially formulated with a herbal blend, yung lemon balm, meron din siyang chamomile, may lavender din, and passion flower, no? So, ang pinaka-idea nito to help our body, no? It calms the body and mind, no? Napakaganda, di ba? So, yun nga, ang key ingredients niya is lemon balm. Ito kasi use na to ng matagal na panahon na to cope up with occasional stress, and then it maintains also a healthy mood. And it support also yung restful sleep. So napakaganda po yung tea natin. Okay? So what else? Ayan, oh. It's about soothing the body and mind. Nakikita nyo naman, di ba? Oh. Tapos siya ang ating product syempre pagka ininom mo to yung mga dapit hapon na, di ba? Oh, kasi mayroon tayong isang tea na energy booster naman 'yon. 'Yon, no? So again, 4 calories lang po, napakababa niya and take a look at it, no added caffeine. So syempre, caffeine is somehow meron siyang benefits pero too much caffeine kasi alam naman natin na ang kape number one na beverages yan sa buong mundo, no? Including the tea also has also a little bit of caffeine. Pero itong product na to, it support calming the mind and body, wala po siyang caffeine. At ang special pa dito, made with non-GM products, no? Walang GMO to, no? And napakasarap ng flavor, peppermint, no? And wala siyang artificial flavors or colors. Okay? So ayan yung mga ingredients niya, yung botanicals, no? Basahin niyo ngayon. And sino ba yung mga dapat mag-consume nito? So ang ating herbal retreat tree is formulated to help, no, people to unwind after a long let's say a hectic day. Yan, ito, number 1 po yan. So it is also for people na gustong matulog ng maganda, no? Yung magpahinga ng maayos. So yung gusto ng to maintain their overall health. Kasi stressful yung kanilang works, no? And these are for the people also who seek yung mga products that can really help their and support their wellness journey. Isama nyo po itong tea na to, no? Now, in how to enjoy your cup of serenity? Yan, eto po, 1/4 teaspoon lang. So napakaliit lang, no? At ang isang natin, pwede nyo ihalo sa 360 ml na hot water. At i-mix nyo lang. Simpleng-simple lang po ang pagtimpla niyan. And you will be relaxed na, no? At kung ikukumpara natin sa isang tito, no? Ang tea kasi natin na regular can really give a boost. Tapos ito namang tea natin, gamitin natin to sa medyo nagre-relax na tayo sa hapon. So pag nakita nyo yung charts na yan, yan yung kaibahan nila, no? So what else? So ito maganda ito kasi ito yung mga question about this product. So what are the ingredients? Alam na natin yung ingredients kanina, no? You have that yung 4 na ingredients niya. So how many servings per container? So umaabot po siya ng 60. Imagine, no? Ganong kaliit na tea pero 60 servings. Ibig sabihin pag 1 cup a day, aabot ng 2 buwan sa iyo. How should I take the product? Yun nga, 1/4 teaspoon, no? Can I drink it cold? Alam nyo, itong product na to is really for hot, no? Para makuha mo yung optimum experience, this product should be prepared hot or warm. It is not formulated to be cold, no? Yung texture and taste are affected kapag malamig na tubig ang ginamit nyo. Okay, what else? That this product contain artificial color flavor. Ganina, sinabi, wala, no? Walang flavor na artificial. It contains natural flavor po ng peppermint and natural flavor ng ating sweetener derived from stevia. Yung kanyang lasa po, yung tamis is from stevia leaf. So wala din siyang artificial colors. So how much caffeine is the relaxation yung ating retreat tea? Wala po. 'Di ba sabi kanina, there is no added na caffeine dito. Is this product non-GM? Of course, sinabi din natin kanina, hindi siya GM, ano? How is this retreat tea different from herbal tea concentrate? O sinabi na rin kanina, yung isa, you use it sa morning to really boost your energy. At ito naman, pagka medyo magpapahinga ka na, ito yung iyong gagamitin. Okay? So, where does herbal tea fits in? Okay. It offers po sa atin ng parang daily ritual to help us break loose doon sa ating stressful life pagdating ng dapit hapon. So it stands apart from any other teas na bakit? Kasi unique po yung kanyang ingredients, no? Sinabi nga natin doon, meron siyang lemon balm, meron din siyang chamomile, meron siyang lavender, at meron din siyang passion flower. Okay? So, no added caffeine. Ito yung dahilan kung bakit siya maganda din. And it's a premium standalone product. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo na po kailangan haluan pa ng kung ano-ano yung tea na ito. So, kahit mainit na tubig lang, is very, very effective. Okay? So, ano pa, no? So, what happens if I miss those? Walang problema. No problem. Wala siyang adverse effect. So, are there any side effects to taking the product? Yung product po natin line consists of foods, dietary supplement, at kahit yung skin products natin. So, wala po siyang side effects. Okay? So, what is the product shelf life of itong retreat tea natin? Same thing as other product ng Herbalife, 2 years from the manufacturing date. Okay? So, is this product safe for children? Herbalife nutrition product are designed po to be used by a healthy adults. Pag sa healthy adults, sinasabi 18 pataas. Okay, not unless po identified yung product natin. Katulad sa US, may mga product po para sa mga bata. Okay? So, is this product safe for pregnant women? Okay. So, etong formulation natin ng wala naman siyang caffeine. Pero, syempre, if you are pregnant or lactating, syempre, konsulta mo sa doktor mo at ang doktor na ang magdi-decide. Kasi syempre, hindi naman lahat ng supplement meron din mga restrictions sa mga buntis na babae. So, you have to really ask your doctor about it. Okay? So, do I have to store this in the fridge, sa ref? Hindi po kailangan. Sa room temperature lang po, it will be fine. Okay? So, thank you very much po. I hope you have learned something about this retreat tea. And don't ever forget po yung spectacular natin. It will be an amazing experience po as a member of this company. So, thank you and good morning. Back to you, Jean.
Wow. Thank you so much, Coach Alvin. Grabe, sinaliksik ng mabuti yung products. Thank you so much at marami kaming information na na-take out today. Dahan-dahan lang po dahil kapag sobra hindi rin maganda, baka po mapasarap tayo ng todo ng tulog, hindi na po tayo magising para sa VNC kinabukasan. Ayan po. So thank you so much. Pwede tayo mag-heart react or magsabi ng thank you, Coach Alvin, sa mga infos